Explore with Skyline. Most beautiful places in Spain. Spain is a country rich in culture, history, and diverse landscapes. Today, we will share the places in Spain that are so beautiful you just have to visit. Are you ready? Let's begin. Our exploration begins in the heart of Catalonia, in the vibrant city of Barcelona, a city where architectural marvels meet a buzzing urban scene. Barcelona is a feast for the senses, a place where the spirit of Antoni Gaudí lives on in the whimsical curves of the Sagrada Familia and the mosaic wonders of Park Güell. The cost of a visit to Barcelona can vary, but with careful planning it can be surprisingly affordable. Expect to spend around 100 to 150 euros per day for accommodation, food, and activities. Spring and autumn offer the most pleasant weather, with warm days and mild evenings, perfect for exploring the city's many attractions. Start your day by getting lost in the labyrinthine alleys of the Gothic Quarter, a place where time seems to stand still. Here, ancient churches and hidden squares reveal themselves at every turn. As the day progresses, head towards Las Ramblas, Barcelona's iconic tree-lined boulevard, a hive of activity with street performers, flower stalls, and charming cafes. As dusk descends, experience the magic of Barcelona's nightlife. Indulge in delectable tapas in the Gracia district, or lose yourself in the rhythm of flamenco at a traditional tablao. For a truly unforgettable experience, take a moonlit stroll along Barceloneta Beach, the gentle sound of the waves providing a soothing backdrop to your evening. From the Catalan coast, we journey inland to the heart of Spain, to its vibrant capital, Madrid. A city that pulsates with life, a captivating blend of old-world charm and modern sophistication. Madrid is a city of grand boulevards, elegant parks, and world-class museums, home to masterpieces by Goya, Velázquez, and Picasso. The cost of a visit to Madrid is comparable to Barcelona, with a budget of 100 to 150 euros per day, allowing for a comfortable experience. Spring and autumn are ideal times to visit, when the city basks in warm sunshine and the parks are ablaze with colorful blooms. Begin your exploration at the Puerta del Sol, a bustling square and a popular meeting point for locals. From here, wander through the elegant Plaza Mayor, surrounded by historic buildings adorned with ornate balconies. No trip to Madrid is complete without experiencing the city's vibrant culinary scene. Indulge in traditional tapas at a local taverna or savor the rich flavors of a cocido madrileño, a hearty chickpea stew. As evening approaches, immerse yourself in the electric atmosphere of a Real Madrid football match at the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium. Alternatively, catch a captivating flamenco performance in the passionate heart of the city. For a more relaxed evening, take a leisurely stroll through El Retiro Park, Madrid's green oasis, and enjoy the tranquility of its rose garden and boating lake. Seville, the vibrant capital of Andalusia, pulsates with a captivating blend of history, art, and tradition. This sun-drenched city, kissed by the Guadalquivir River, has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a rich tapestry of architectural wonders and cultural treasures. The heart of Seville beats within the ancient walls of its historic center, one of the largest in Europe. Here, narrow cobblestone streets wind through a labyrinth of charming neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character. The air hums with the rhythmic strumming of flamenco guitars and the scent of orange blossoms, a sensory symphony that embodies the soul of Andalusia. As you wander through Seville's historic quarter, you'll encounter architectural marvels that stand as testaments to its illustrious past. The magnificent Seville Cathedral, the largest Gothic cathedral in the world, dominates the skyline. Its soaring bell tower, La Giralda, a reminder of the city's Moorish heritage. The Alcazar of Seville, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, beckons with its opulent palaces and serene gardens, a testament to the city's Moorish and Christian influences. But Seville's allure extends beyond its historical landmarks. The city thrums with a vibrant energy that is palpable in its bustling plazas, lively tapas bars, and passionate flamenco performances. Valencia, A city bathed in the warm glow of the Mediterranean sun effortlessly blends a rich historical legacy with a forward-thinking spirit. This captivating coastal city, where the Turia River meets the azure waters of the Mediterranean Sea, is a vibrant tapestry woven from ancient Roman roots, Moorish influences, and cutting-edge architecture. Valencia's heart beats within the embrace of its historic quarter, a labyrinthine network of narrow streets lined with colorful buildings adorned with wrought iron balconies. But Valencia is also a city that embraces the future, and nowhere is this more evident than in the City of Arts and Sciences. This architectural marvel, designed by Santiago Calatrava, is a testament to the city's commitment to innovation and creativity. Valencia remains deeply connected to its roots, where you can savor paella, the iconic Valencian rice dish, in a centuries-old restaurant. Valencia tantalizes all the senses. The aroma of horchata mingles with the sea breeze. Mercado Central dazzles with fresh produce and spices. Laughter fills the bustling plazas. As the sun sets, Valencia's beaches come alive. Relax on golden sands or swim in clear waters. At night, beach bars and restaurants buzz with life. Valencia offers something for everyone. Nestled amidst the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains, Granada stands as a testament to Spain's rich and complex history. This enchanting city, where the Darro and Genil rivers converge, bears the indelible mark of its Moorish past, a legacy that whispers from every cobblestone street and ornate archway. Dominating the skyline, the Alhambra Palace, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, stands as a magnificent symbol of Moorish artistry and architectural genius. Its intricate stucco work, serene courtyards, and meticulously manicured gardens transport visitors back to a bygone era of sultans and poets. But Granada is more than just its iconic palace. The city's essence seeps from the labyrinthine streets of the Albaycin, the old Moorish quarter, where whitewashed houses cling to the hillside, their rooftops offering breathtaking views of the Alhambra. Here, time seems to slow down as you wander through narrow alleyways, the scent of jasmine and orange blossom filling the air. As you explore Granada, you'll encounter hidden squares adorned with bubbling fountains, traditional tea houses offering a taste of Morocco, and lively tapas bars where the sound of flamenco guitar spills out onto the streets. Granada is a city that invites you to lose yourself in its beauty, to wander aimlessly and discover its secrets at your own pace. Granada is a city of contrasts, where the past and present coexist in perfect harmony. The city's Moorish heritage is evident in its architecture, cuisine, and even its language, while its Christian roots are reflected in its numerous churches and cathedrals. The Sacromonte neighborhood, perched on a hill opposite the Alhambra, offers a glimpse into the city's gypsy heritage. Here, you can witness the fiery passion of flamenco in its most authentic form, performed in caves carved into the hillside. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the city, Granada awakens to a vibrant nightlife. The streets come alive with locals and visitors alike, drawn together by the allure of tapas bars, flamenco shows, and the promise of a night filled with music, laughter, and conversation. Granada is a city that stays with you long after you've left. Its beauty etched in your memory, its history whispering in your ear. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the magic of the past while embracing the vibrancy of the present. Welcome to Ibiza, an island steeped in legend and renowned for its vibrant nightlife. But Ibiza is so much more than just a party island. It boasts stunning beaches, crystal clear waters, and a rich cultural heritage waiting to be explored. The best time to experience Ibiza's electric atmosphere is during the summer months, from June to September. The island comes alive with music, dancing, and a contagious energy that's hard to resist. However, be prepared for larger crowds and higher prices during this peak season. For those seeking a more tranquil experience, consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of spring or autumn. The weather is still pleasant, the crowds are thinner, and you can truly appreciate the island's natural beauty. And don't forget about Ibiza's interior, a world away from the bustling coast. Here you'll find charming villages, rolling hills, and a slower pace of life. A typical day in Ibiza can start with a refreshing dip in the azure waters of Cala, a beach famed for its stunning sunsets. As the sun climbs higher, explore the island's interior, perhaps taking a leisurely hike through the pine forests, or visiting the historic Dalt Villa, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. As the afternoon heat sets in, seek refuge in one of Ibiza's many beach clubs. Relax on plush daybeds, sip on refreshing cocktails, and soak up the vibrant atmosphere. As the sun begins to dip below the horizon, prepare for Ibiza's legendary nightlife to come alive. From world-renowned DJs spinning electrifying sets to intimate beach parties, Ibiza offers a nightlife experience unlike any other. Lose yourself in the music, dance the night away, and create memories that will last a lifetime. But Ibiza's nightlife is not just about high-energy clubs. For a more laid-back evening, explore the charming streets of Ibiza town, where you can enjoy delicious tapas, browse local boutiques, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere. Mallorca, the largest of the Balearic Islands, is a land of remarkable diversity. From rugged mountain ranges to secluded coves and picturesque villages, Mallorca offers something for everyone. The Serra de Tramuntana mountain range, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, dominates the island's northwestern coast. Here, you can hike through ancient forests, discover hidden monasteries, and enjoy breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. For those who prefer a more leisurely pace, Mallorca's coastline is dotted with charming towns and villages. Explore the cobbled streets of Palenque, wander through the bustling market in Sinoy, or simply relax on one of the many pristine beaches. And no trip to Mallorca would be complete without a visit to the capital city, Palma. Explore the magnificent Palma Cathedral, wander through the narrow streets of the Old Town, and soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Mallorca is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking, cycling, and water sports are just a few of the activities on offer. Explore the island's interior on two wheels, following winding roads through ancient olive groves and charming villages. For a truly unforgettable experience, take to the skies in a hot air balloon. Drift silently over the island's diverse landscapes, enjoying breathtaking panoramic views. Back on solid ground, indulge in Mallorca's rich culinary scene. Sample fresh seafood paella by the sea, savor tapas in a traditional taverna, or indulge in a wine-tasting experience at a local vineyard. As the sun sets, find a secluded spot on the coast and watch the sky erupt in a blaze of color. Whether you seek adventure, relaxation, or cultural immersion, Mallorca has something to offer every traveler. Once a gritty industrial city, Bilbao has undergone a remarkable transformation, emerging as a vibrant hub of art, architecture, and gastronomy. This metamorphosis is perhaps best exemplified by the Guggenheim Museum Bilbao, a shimmering titanium masterpiece designed by Frank Gehry. But Bilbao's architectural marvels extend far beyond the Guggenheim. Stroll along the Nervion River, marvel at the futuristic Zubizurri Bridge, or explore the historic Casco Viejo, the city's charming old quarter. The Casco Viejo, with its narrow cobbled streets and lively plazas, offers a glimpse into Bilbao's rich history. Here you can sample pinzos, the Basque country's answer to tapas, in traditional bars, or browse for unique souvenirs in independent boutiques. And for a taste of local life, be sure to visit the Mercado de la Ribera, one of Europe's largest indoor markets. Here you'll find a dazzling array of fresh produce, seafood, and local delicacies. Bilbao's cultural offerings extend far beyond its architectural wonders. The city is home to numerous museums, theaters, and art galleries, showcasing both traditional and contemporary works. For a taste of Basque culture, visit the Euskal Museo of Bilbao, which delves into the history and traditions of this unique region. Food lovers are in for a treat in Bilbao. The city is renowned for its exceptional cuisine, with a particular emphasis on fresh, seasonal ingredients. Indulge in a multi-course tasting menu at a Michelin-starred restaurant, or savor traditional Basque dishes in a cozy tavern. As the day draws to a close, experience Bilbao's vibrant nightlife. Enjoy live music in a traditional bar, sip cocktails in a stylish rooftop bar, or simply soak up the lively atmosphere in one of the city's many plazas. Bilbao is a city that surprises and delights at every turn, offering a unique blend of history, culture, and modernity. Perched dramatically atop a rocky crag, overlooking the meandering Tagus River, lies Toledo, a city steeped in history and legend. For centuries, Toledo has captivated the imaginations of travelers, artists, and poets who have sought to capture its unique beauty and enigmatic spirit. Known as the City of Three Cultures, Toledo bears the indelible mark of its diverse past. Here, Christians, Muslims, and Jews lived and thrived for centuries, their cultures intertwining to create a rich tapestry of art, architecture, and tradition. This legacy is visible everywhere you look, from the soaring Gothic cathedral to the intricate Mudejar craftsmanship to the narrow, winding streets reminiscent of ancient souks. As you approach Toledo, it's as if you're stepping back in time. The city's skyline, dominated by the imposing Alcazar fortress and the graceful spire of the cathedral, seems to rise directly from the pages of a history book. And as you cross the ancient bridge spanning the Tagus, you can almost hear the clatter of swords and the murmur of prayers echoing through the ages. A walk through Toledo is a journey through time. Begin at the Alcazar, a fortress with centuries of history. Once a Roman palace, now a military museum, visit the Grand Toledo Cathedral, a Gothic masterpiece. Be awestruck by its vaulted ceilings and stained glass windows. Discover Toledo's hidden gems and winding streets. Admire the Mudejar craftsmanship of the synagogues. Savor the atmosphere, spices, and timeless spirit. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Costa del Sol to the snow-capped peaks of the Pyrenees, from the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, Spain offers a tapestry of experiences as diverse and captivating as its history. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of this enchanting country, uncovering its hidden gems and immersing ourselves in its vibrant culture. Which of these beautiful cities are you going to visit, and which have you visited? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon, folks. Where will the tides of adventure take us next? Find out in our next video. Until then, it is goodbye from Spain.